Forming a German sentence requires a strategy. It's like planning a battle. Where is the infantry? The subject. When does the verb, the cavalry, come in? And when are the archers, the artillery, needed? A good German sentence requires a strategy. And a skilled commander is always armed, and he already knows in advance which troops to deploy when and where. You must already have performed every move in your mind. So, especially for beginners, it's important to first form the sentence in one's mind before starting to speak. First, the infantry is positioned, the subject. It essentially opens the battle for a correct sentence. Next comes the verb, the cavalry. The verb determines the action on the battlefield. And finally, the archers are positioned, the object. They define the target of the attack. Now all units, our sentence parts, are in the correct position, and the assault on a proper sentence can begin. The order for a correct German sentence is subject, verb, object. Let's begin the assault.
Meine Armee attackiert die Burg. Meine Armee attackiert die Burg. Meine Armee ist das Subjekt. Attackiert ist das Verb. Die Burg ist das Objekt.
My army is the subject. Attacks is the verb. The castle is the object. Now you have won your first battle on the way to a fluent German. We at Tristan.school are proud of you.